This is a financial district-bound B train. The financial district. Step back. Doors closing. The right. Let's keep Metro safe. Report any suspicious activity or packages to transit police or train crew. This is Financial District. An accessible station. The wheelchair ramps are at the ends of the platform. Transfer is available to the A, F, and Y trains. Doors will open on the right.
This is the last stop. Get off.
This is a Mayberry-bound B train. The next stop is 17th Street, City Hall. Ends of the platform.
Transfer is available to the B, F, and Y.
Doors opening. This is a clockwise A train via the inner loop. The next stop is East 7th Street. Step back. Doors closing. So at the ends of the platform.
Transfer is available to the B, F, and Y.
This is East 7th Street, Heinrichs Avenue. Transfer is available to the U train. Doors will open on the left. Doors opening. This is a clockwise A train via the inner loop. The next stop is East Electric Island. Step back. Doors closing. Transfer is available. Doors will open on the left. This is a counterclockwise.